Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make an origami knife. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into two equal halves and press well. Now from the other side, repeat the step and press it. Now towards the middle crease, fold all the corners and press them well. Again fold it like this from one side and then the other. Fold it from the tip like this and press it well. Now fold it to the crease like this and press it from both the sides. Now take another piece of paper for the second part. Fold it into two equal halves and press it well. This we have four little skewers, then fold it to the middle crease and press it. Then from the other side repeat the step. Now vertically fold it and press. Then form a triangle. Fold it like this. Press it well. Now fold it from this side and repeat the step from the other. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the class of more origami tutorials like this. You may share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Don't forget to press the bell icon to remain updated. Now fold it like this and press well. Alright, and it's done. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.